Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you'll notice that the name of our YouTube channel have changed. Well, I noticed that there's also another channel called Flutter. So I changed mine to my this is like my brand name. This is the name of my social media and the Wiki Blaze. So I promised us that in our next class we'll be looking at how to upload our Flutter code to GitHub. And this is one of the reasons why we installed Git when we in our video of Flutter installation. So most of us don't know what Git is. GitHub is. GitHub is like a must-have social media site for developers where you share your code. Also, you can host your website with GitHub hosting service, and well, you share your code, you collaborate with others. So if you don't have an account, just head over to github.com this and then create your account. So let's get started. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Actually, I'll be doing this in our command prompts, although we can also do this in our terminal in VS Code or Android Studio. So the first thing we'll do is to initialize an empty repo, like um, an empty repository. So make git init and then we press enter. So initialize empty git repository here. Oh, sorry about that. I'm supposed to head over to the folder of my code, my Flutter code, which is the hello world. So you just head over to where you save the location of your hello world and copy it. Inside your command prompt, you press cd to navigate into that place and then paste it and press enter. So now we are in that folder. So then we will initialize an empty git repository. So yeah, then after that we'll press git add, then full stop. So we are adding all the files inside our hello world into that empty repository. And if you notice there's a full stop here, the full stop is actually saying that we should add all the files there. So this will take a few seconds. And let's just play. Okay, so we are done. Saying lf will be replaced by crlf in spec dot block. So after that, then we had a commit message that git commit which is, you can call it anything, but I'll be going with hello world test commit, then close this. And I think we are after this is done. So this is all the files in our hello world code, hello world folder. So after we are done with this, then we move into our GitHub and create a new. If you have logged into your account, you see something like new here. Create a new repository. So then in this repo, we'll call it anything you want to call it, but it's good to go with the name of your folder, hello world, and this name is available. So make it public and then don't tick any of these things here. Create a repository. So this may take some time, and well, we are done. So you can see all this create repository in the command line. We have done this, initialize, and we added and made a commit. So now we'll be linking our remote. Let's copy this. We'll be linking our remote repository to this one in our GitHub. So let's do that now. Let me just paste it into this. So now we are like the remote one which we created in our empty repository. We'll be linking it to the original one in our GitHub repo. So press enter, and then now you push the code to GitHub origin master, and this may take some time. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for this. Meantime, we can check here. We can do like this. So this just explains to us how we can link a remote repository to our GitHub original repo. So now this is done, and if we reload this, let's say if we reload this, you should see it now. So this is our hello world code. This is our commit message, hello world first commit, and here you can see the languages we use. As I explained earlier, Flutter is like a framework of that, so that's why that is carrying the most of the percentage. And this is the readme which we have from our Flutter code, from the code we had in our hello world. So that's how we add files to GitHub, guys. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click on the notification bell, like this video, leave your comments below, and share it to your friends, guys. So this is where we stop today. In our next video, I'll show you how to develop your app, like the one you can share with your friends. Because now we have made an hello world app, and when you want to share it to your friends, tell them that you have created an app. So in that one, in the next video, I'll show you how to do